Hello dear students, now I am going to discuss some MCQ questions on states of matter. This is important for Cambridge O-level chemistry and Cambridge IGCSE chemistry. Let's move. Number 1, aqueous lead to nitrate, here lead to nitrate, and aqueous potassium iodide, Ki, potassium iodide, lead to nitrate, PbNO3 whole 2, lead to nitrate are added to a dish containing water as shown. Here aqueous lead to nitrate and aqueous potassium iodide are placed and they react to produce yellow precipitate. This is yellow precipitate. This is the solid, yellow precipitate solid. Aqueous lead to nitrate reacts with potassium iodide to produce lead to iodide solid plus potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate is aqueous, this is soluble. Aqueous. A yellow precipitate forms after a few minutes, which process occurs before the precipitate forms. That means they diffuse, they move, distillation wrong, fermentation wrong, filtration wrong. So lead, aqueous lead to nitrate, lead ion and nitrate ion diffuse, lead ion and nitrate ion move, and potassium iodide, potassium ion and iodide ion diffuse. Then lead ion reacts with iodide ion to produce yellow precipitate of lead to iodide. So here movement of ions, I mean diffusion occurs. Number 2, the diagram shows how the molecules in the exhaust gases diffuse into the air. Gases diffuse into the air. Here answer is C is the right answer. The molecules spread further into the air. So these molecules in air, and this is the molecules in exhaust gases. These molecules spread, small one, spread into the air. So the molecules spread further into the air. These molecules one place and these mix with into the air. So the molecules spread further into the air. You see, these small molecules spread throughout the air. So C is the right answer. The molecules spread further into the air. Next, number 3, in which changes do the particles move further apart? Further apart means far apart. So D is the right answer. Why D? Liquid to gas. Yes, liquid particle close to each other and gas far apart. So Y is the right answer. And also Z. Why Z? Z is the solid goes to liquid. Solid particles closely packed, liquid they are in short distance. So solid to liquid and liquid to gas, I mean Y and Z, the particles move further apart. So A is wrong. Why? W gas to liquid, no, this not further apart, this close together. So A is wrong. B, W wrong. See, X liquid to solid, X is the liquid to solid. Liquid to solid not further apart, molecules become closer. So D is the correct answer. Next, the diagram shows a cup of tea which room describe the water particles in the air above the cup compared with the water particles in the cup. So here water particles above the cup moving faster. Yes, this is gas, so the molecules move faster, and close together, no. Here gas, particles go far apart, particles go far away, so this is wrong. B is the correct answer. Moving faster particles and they are not close together, that's why this is cross sign. Next, in which substance are particles close together and slowly moving fast each other? Water, liquid, this air particles are not closed, ice closely packed particles, steam gas particles are far apart, but question is asking close together and slowly move, so this is the water. D is the right answer, because in liquid the particles are close to each other and they move slowly. Next, number 6, the diagram shows the arrangement of particles in 3 different physical states of substance X. State 1, this liquid, state 2 gas, state 3 solid, particles closely packed. So which statement about the physical state of substance X is correct? The substance in stage 3 has a fixed volume. Yes, stage 3 is a solid, so solid has a fixed volume. The particles are closely packed. D is the right answer. Why is wrong? Particles in state 1 vibrate about fixed position. No, this is liquid, there are many space they can move, this is wrong. And state 1 changes to solid by diffusion. Liquid goes to gas, no, not diffusion, this is evaporation, this is wrong. So D is the right answer. Number 7, what are the process W, X, Y and Z in the following diagram? You see W, solid goes to liquid, this is melting. X, liquid goes to gas. X is the liquid goes to gas, boiling. And Y is the liquid goes to solid, freezing. And Z, gas converted to liquid, this process name is condensing or condensation. So C all are right, C is the correct answer. Number 8, particles moving very slowly from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. Which process is being described above? Particles moving very slowly from a high concentration to low concentration. So this is the C is the right answer. A substance diffusing through a liquid. Yes, particles move through a liquid very slowly. So here C is the right answer. And why is wrong? A liquid bring frozen. This is wrong. A solid melting, the fast melting, fast freezing. A substance diffused through the air. Particles diffuse through the air very quickly, but question is asking very slowly. So C is the right answer. A substance diffusing through a liquid. Number 9. Which diagram shows the process of diffusion? These different atoms, these are. So diffuse here one type of atoms or particles, and black one is another types of particles. These mix throughout the container. So process C is diffusion. Process C, mix up diffusion. A is not diffusion, B not diffusion, D also not diffusion. They join together. An attempt was made to compress a gas and a solid using apparatus shown. This is piston, gas, solid. So which substance would be compressed, and what is the reason for this? You know, gas can be compressed and solid cannot be compressed. So B is the right answer. Gas can be compressed. Why? The gas particles are further apart. If you give pressure, if you try to compress, gas particles become closer. So gas particle will compressed. Why? Because the gas particles are far apart. Gas particles are further away. When you give pressure, they become close together. B is the right answer. Why is wrong? Gas is true. The gas particles are close together. No, this part is wrong. C is wrong. Not solid. Not solid. So B is the right answer. The gas particles are far apart and substance gas. Thank you, dear students.